Today, I'll walk you through how to create a form in ClickUp so you can start collecting information from clients, team members, or customers and automatically turn every submission into a task without any manual work on your end. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. ClickUp Forms are one of those features that quietly save you a serious amount of time. Whether you're gathering project intake requests, support tickets, feedback, or anything in between, a well-built form keeps everything organized and feeds straight into your workflow. Here's how to build one from scratch. Start by opening ClickUp and signing into your account. Once you're in, look along the left sidebar. That's where ClickUp keeps your main navigation. Scroll through until you find the Forms section and click it. This takes you into the Forms hub, where any existing forms live and where you'll create new ones. In the upper right corner, click New Form. ClickUp will prompt you to choose a form type. Think of this as selecting the template structure that best matches what you're trying to collect, whether that's a general intake form, a feedback form, or something more custom. Take a moment here and pick the one that fits your use case best. Next, you'll be asked where you want form submissions to be saved. This is actually one of the most important decisions in the whole process. Every submission a person sends in gets automatically converted into a task. So you want to point it at the right list or space in your workspace, whichever one your team will actually work from. Then give your form a name. Keep it clear and descriptive so that anyone filling it out immediately understands what it's for. Once you're happy with the name, click Create, and ClickUp builds the form for you on the spot. Now you're inside the form editor, and this is where you make it truly yours. You can add, remove, and rearrange fields, customize your questions, tweak labels, and set fields as required so no critical information ever slips through. Spend a few minutes here dialing in exactly what you need to capture. Nothing more, nothing less, and your form will do the heavy lifting from here on out. And that's it. You've just created a ClickUp form that automatically turns submissions into tasks. It's a genuinely powerful way to control how information flows into your team. If this helped you out, leave a like, drop any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.